Greetings everyone. In today's video we shall be discussing the multiplication of two-digit number with another two-digit number. So as you can see it in the example also that we need to find product of 32 and 16. So let's start it. So first of all children, let's write these two numbers in the place value chart. After writing these numbers in the place value chart, let's start multiplying them children. Now let's multiply them in three simple steps. So first of all, we will multiply 6 with 36. And let's start multiplying with this. So now we have to multiply 6 with 36. So 6 ones place per hai children. So let's start multiplying. So 6 multiplied by 6 or 6 6 is equal to 36. So 36 children, it is written as 6 ones and 3 tens. So 6 ones we will write here, 6 ones will be written under ones column and 3 tens will go to tens column as a carry. So let's write it. Now let's multiply 6 with 3. So 6 threes is equal to 18. So 6 threes is equal to 18 and we have to add carry also to it. So 18 plus 3. So 18 plus 3 is 21. Let's write here 21. Now children, we have completed first step, that is when we multiplied 6 with 36 we got the answer as 216. So this 216 is called first partial product. इसे हम first partial product बोलते हैं children. Now let's start with our second step, that is we have to multiply 1 with 36. Children, you must have noticed that digit 1. This digit 1 is in the tens place of the multiplier, that is 16. Now we are actually multiplying 36 with 10. It means कि ये जो multiplier का second digit है ये tens के नीचे लिखा हुआ है बच्चों. ओके, हम 36 को 110 से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं. सो इसको मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद जो आंसर आता है चिल्ड्रन वो हम टेंस कॉलम से ही लिखना स्टार्ट करेंगे. इसीलिए हम वंस वाले कॉलम में we will write 0 or a cross below 6. Let's multiply 1 with 6 ones. तो हम ones वाले कॉलम से ही मल्टीप्लिकेशन स्टार्ट करेंगे चिल्ड्रन. तो 1 को हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 6 के साथ, दैट इज 1 6 सो 1 6 इज इक्वल टू 6. सो लेट्स राइट हियर 6. नाउ वी नीड टू मल्टीप्लाई 1 with 3. अब हम 1 को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 3 के साथ. सो 1 3s is equal to 3. So no carries there. Let's write here 3. Now we have completed our second step children, that is we have already multiplied 36 with 1 and we got the answer as 36. So this 36 is called the second partial product. So this is our second partial product. Now our third step is let's add both the partial products. Let's add first partial product and second partial product. So let's put a plus sign over here and let's add both of them. 6 plus 0, that means 6 will come here. Then 1 plus 6, so 1 plus 6 is 7 children. So let's write here 7. And 2 plus 3, that is equal to 5. सो जब हमने दोनों पार्शियल प्रोडक्ट्स को ऐड किया चिल्ड्रन तो हमें आंसर मिला 576 एंड द आंसर दैट वी गेट आफ्टर मल्टीप्लिकेशन इज कॉल्ड द प्रोडक्ट. तो दो नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद जो आंसर आता है उसे हम प्रोडक्ट कहते हैं. सो दिस इज हाउ वी मल्टीप्लाई अ नंबर विद अदर नंबर. And I have taken one more example for you where we have to multiply 41 and 32. So I have already written it in the place value chart. Now let's start multiplying it from the ones side. हम इसको ones वाली side से ही multiply करना start करेंगे. So our first step is to multiply 2 and 41. So let's start. सो चिल्ड्रन वी विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द वन साइड ओनली, हम वंस वाली साइड से स्टार्ट करेंगे एंड 2 जो है वो मल्टीप्लायर के वंस प्लेस पर ही है, सो इसलिए हम नीचे कोई जीरो नहीं लगाएंगे. 2 multiplied with 1, that is 2 ones is equal to 2, and there is no carry also, so let's multiply 2 with 4 now. So 2 fours is 8. Now here we have completed our step 1 children, and जब हमने 41 को मल्टीप्लाई किया 2 के साथ तो हमें आंसर मिला 82. So this is our first partial product. Now let's start step 2. That is, we will multiply 3 with 41. So children, here you can see कि 3 जो है वो multiplier के tens place पर है. So tens place पर है children, तो इसका जो multiplication के बाद आंसर आएगा वो हम tens place पर ही लिखेंगे. So ones place पर हम cross भी लिख सकते हैं and we can also write a 0. So I am writing here a cross. Now let's multiply 3 ones is equal to 3. So let's write here 3. And 3 fours is equal to 12, so let's write here 12. When we multiplied 41 with 3, we got the answer as 123, and this is our second partial product. Now let's add them. Again starting addition from the one side only. So here only 2 is written, so let's write here 2. Now 8 plus 3 is 11. So 1 we will write here and 1 will go as carry. Now 2 plus 1 is 3. And this is 1. So we will write here 1. So we got the product as 1312. Now let's see one more example children where we have to multiply 20 and 13. So I have written it here in the place value chart for you. Let's start multiplying them. So first of all starting from the one side हम 3 को multiply करेंगे 0 और 2 के साथ. So 3 zeros is equal to 0. So let's write here 0. 3 twos is equal to 6. So let's write here 6. Now starting with the step 2 children, तो हमें यहाँ पर 1 से multiply करना है and this is in the tens column, so हम यहाँ पर cross लगाएंगे. Now let's multiply 1 and 20. So 1 zeros is equal to 0. 1 twos is equal to 2. So let's write here 2. Now let's add both the partial products. So putting a plus sign over here. Now we are having only 0 over here, so let's write here 0. And 6 plus 0 is 6. And this is only 2, so let's write here 2. So when we multiply 20 and 13, बच्चों जब हमने 20 और 13 को multiply किया, then we got the product as 260. So that's all in our today's video children. I hope you understood it. Thank you and have a great day.